Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm not going to do any challenges today. So, you can hear some noises. We are going to Agra. So we are in a train. So today I'm going to show you how is it the train. Let's go enjoy. So this is my mother. And this is the bus. We sleep here. So now we'll go to the washroom. Let's see. Need to wear a shoe. So I changed my name. Let's go to the footpath. Food here, plus it's very noisy. They make their lunch and breakfast, and of course let's go back now. So you guys have seen the train right now. It is feeling okay. The food tastes like garbage. We mostly slept in the train, and we ate some food which my mother organized. I also tried bravely to sleep on the above berth, and it was nice. But a baby crying in the night, midnight. Getting me my head is an apple. Yeah, this is a secret. I did not tell my father that I had went to take my phone. So that's okay. And that's it. Like, it's nice. Also, why this much now? Or else Piggy will steal your brain.